Hello everyone. Today I'm going to share with you one of the more powerful tips that can completely change the way you learn English. And that is thinking direct in English every day. Most English learners start translate every single word from their own native language before they start to speak or write. That is why speaking become slow and difficult. However, if they start to think direct in English, everything becomes faster and natural. So, how can you do that? Today, I give you 4 steps to start thinking directly in English. Step 1, start small. When you wake up, you can describe something about your day, or what are you doing, or how do you feel in English. You can start speaking. For example, I am walking, or I'm going to school, or I'm making breakfast. Yes, simple sentences like that is good enough at first. Step 2 is talk to yourself. You don't need anyone else to practice English with. You just start practice with yourself, talking to yourself about everything around you. Or pretend you are sharing your day to someone in English. The more you do this, the more your thinking becomes. Step 3. Surround yourself with English. You can listen to English video, watch English podcast, and reading every content in English every day. Because when you sing it every day, your brain start connecting words naturally without translating. And the last step is be patient and consistent. Fluency doesn't come from 1 week or 1 month. But if you practice thinking direct in English even about 10 minutes a day, you will see a huge progress after a few weeks. Remember that learning English is not just about memorizing grammar or vocabulary, but it is training your mind to live in English. Yes, so don't wait for the right time. Start learning, start speaking from today with me. Okay? Bye bye. See you in the next video.